Do you want to enjoy a perfect boiled egg with smooth, glossy, whites and melt-in-your-mouth soft yolks like in a five-star restaurant? However, many people often encounter broken egg yolks, crushed eggs, or white foam everywhere. Don't worry. Today, I will reveal to you 3 super simple ways to poach eggs at home. Even if you are a first-time cook, you will definitely succeed. Ready? Let's get started. To get a perfect poached egg, choosing fresh eggs is the most important factor. You can check in 2 very simple ways: touch and shake. Fresh eggs usually have slightly rough shells, covered with a thin, transparent white layer. This is a natural protective layer. When shaken gently, fresh eggs do not make any sound, while old eggs will rattle and feel loose inside. Before cooking, wash eggs thoroughly to remove dirt and bacteria from the shell, as there may still be chicken droppings or impurities on the eggs. Now, prepare a bowl of clean water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt to a bowl of clean water, then stir until completely dissolved. This step will help the eggs keep their shape and be neater when poached. Gently lower the eggs into the bowl of water, being careful not to crack the shells. Working slowly will help the eggs keep their shape when poached. Soak eggs in salt water for about 5 minutes. This step helps clean more thoroughly and lightly antibacterial, limiting bacteria from sticking to the shell. After soaking for about 5 minutes, remove the eggs and use a soft paper towel to gently wipe the surface of the shell. This step not only helps remove any remaining dirt, but also makes the eggshells cleaner, drier, and safer to poach. Where in the world are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment to let me know. It's great that we can connect and meet each other from different places, sharing the joy of cooking and interesting tips. Handle gently to avoid cracking the shell. Next, change the water and rinse the eggs again. This step will help remove any remaining salt and also ensure the eggs are truly clean and safe before poaching. Wash gently to avoid cracking the shell. After washing, place the eggs on a plate and let them air dry. Once the shell is dry, the eggs are safe and ready for cooking. At this point, you can completely move on to the next steps or use it immediately in the recipe you want. First, pour enough water into the pot, then boil over high heat. This is an important step in preparing to poach eggs. While waiting for the water to boil, prepare a ladle. Add about 1/3 teaspoon of cooking oil and coat the ladle evenly. This thin layer of oil will help the eggs not stick when poached, keeping their shape more beautiful. Then gently crack the egg into the ladle. If you beat the egg white directly into boiling water, it will spread out, foam and stick to the bottom of the pot, making the egg lose its shape. Next, hold the ladle with the egg over the boiling water, allowing the steam to start to set the egg. Note, do not let water overflow into the ladle. Once the eggs have set, gently lower the ladle into the pot. At this time, the eggs will keep their beautiful round shape, without breaking or sticking to the pot. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the eggs are perfectly cooked. Now, gently remove the eggs to a plate and let cool slightly. Look at that, smooth white, surrounding a soft, golden yolk. Sounds delicious, right? You'll definitely want to try it at home. Eggs poached this way will be plump and round, with the whites hugging the yolks, not breaking or leaking. When cut open, you will find a soft, delicate texture, perfect to go with hot porridge or a delicious bowl of noodles for breakfast. And now, let's try the second method, poaching eggs with steam. This is a super simple method, easy to do and especially suitable for those who are new to the kitchen. Now, let's try the second method, steam poaching eggs, a simple method that is extremely suitable for beginners. Prepare to small bowls, then pour about 1/3 clean water into each bowl, just enough for the eggs to float. Crack an egg into each bowl. Water will help the egg whites and yolks distribute evenly, without touching the bottom of the hot bowl directly, so the eggs won't stick or deform. Once the water in the steamer is boiling, gently place the egg bowl in, then cover and keep the heat on medium. Achip kung 6 to 8 fat, tight the oven muan long chi mgm hink hun. If you like soft yolks, steam for about 6 minutes. When the time is up, turn off the stove immediately, but do not open the lid yet. When the time is up, turn off the stove immediately, but do not open the lid yet. This small step will prevent the eggs from shrinking or cracking, resulting in a beautiful finished product that retains its natural softness. If you're looking at this recipe, I have a quick question for you. What city are you from? Please leave a comment below and share with me. Finally, pour out the remaining water in the bowl, then use a spoon to gently remove the egg to a plate. At this point, you will see that the poached egg has a smooth surface. The egg white completely covers the yolk, without breaking or spreading. The finished product retains its beautiful round shape and perfect texture, making it perfect to eat with porridge, noodles, or simply enjoy on its own for a light breakfast. Whether you prefer soft-boiled eggs or hard-boiled eggs, both methods, boiling water or steam poaching, produce great results. The eggs retain their beautiful round shape. The egg whites hug the yolks tightly, without breaking or deforming. You can easily apply it to many different dishes, from porridge, noodles to quick, but still nutritious breakfasts. If you live alone and want a quick breakfast, try poaching eggs in the microwave. Super simple and almost impossible to fail. I am really curious and also extremely happy to know that there are people watching videos from all over the world. Just prepare a heat-resistant bowl, pour enough water to cover the bottom and crack the egg in. Place the bowl in the oven. Set the temperature to about 180 to 100 degrees Celsius, then set the time according to your desired doneness. If you like soft yolks, leave for about 2 minutes. For medium doneness and soft texture, choose 3 minutes. If you like it fully cooked, leave it for 4 minutes. Note, do not leave it for more than 5 minutes, because the eggs will easily dry out and harden. When time is up, carefully remove the bowl as it will be very hot. Pour off the water, and you have a beautiful poached egg. Now it's ready to enjoy with bread, porridge, or a hot bowl of noodles. In less than 3 minutes, you will have a hot poached egg dish with the yolk doneness completely as desired. The special thing is that all 3 methods, direct poaching, steaming, or using a microwave, give you a finished product with soft, smooth egg whites, well-cooked yolks, no fishy smell, and retaining the natural sweetness of the eggs. I believe that with these small, simple, but extremely effective tips, anyone can make poached eggs as good as in a restaurant while saving time. I look forward to hearing your real-life experiences with this approach, and if you have any better ideas, please share so we can learn together. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on other great tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with more interesting tips. Before, I always thought that to make good eggs, I had to use a pan. Until I tried this method, everything changed. Hi guys, I'm TopTips 247. Today, I'm going to share with you 4 super simple ways to make eggs right in the microwave. No oil, no hassle, and perfect results every time. And remember to check out the last tip. It's one I use almost every day. Method 1. Start with the simplest way: soft, fluffy scrambled eggs, made right in the microwave in just minutes. You just need fresh eggs, a little salt, and some black pepper. That's it. Crack the egg into a microwave-safe bowl or cup. Add salt and pepper, then beat until smooth and well combined. And here's the trick that makes the difference. Don't just cook your eggs once. Place the bowl in the microwave and run for about 30 seconds to start cooking the eggs. Where in the world are you watching the video from? Leave a comment. Each comment is not only a greeting, but also a great motivation for us. You'll notice a dramatic change in the texture of the eggs: soft, fluffy, and not at all dry or chewy. This is perfect for mornings, when you want something hot, but don't want to spend time washing pans or dishes. This is perfect for mornings, when you want something hot, but don't want to spend time washing pans or dishes. In less than 2 minutes, you'll have a creamy, fluffy scrambled egg dish, soft, flavorful, and full of warmth. Simple, delicious, and a great way to start the day. Method 2. Now, on to one of my favorite microwave tips: how to make perfect nude eggs without a part. It's quick, easy, and simple. Anyone can do it. Start by filling a microwave-safe bowl with cold water, just enough to cover the eggs. Then, gently crack an egg into the bowl of water. Use a fork to gently prick the yolk a few times. This step is important. It helps release steam inside the yolk, preventing the egg from exploding while cooking. Sprinkle a little salt into the water. It not only helps the egg white set evenly, but also makes the eggs taste better. Now, place the bowl in the microwave. Select a medium-high heat, around 175 to 100 degrees Celsius, and adjust the time depending on how done you want your eggs. For soft yolks, about 2 minutes is usually enough. If you like your yolks a little runny, cook for about 3 minutes. If you want the yolk to be fully cooked, 4 minutes is enough. Just remember not to cook for more than 5 minutes, or the eggs will become tough and lose their soft texture. When time is up, be careful, the bowl is very hot. Remove safely. Pour off some of the water, and you'll have a perfectly round hard-boiled egg, smooth whites, soft yolks, ready to enjoy. Now, onto the colorful, delicious egg, soft, fluffy omelets, perfect straight from the microwave. Way 3. Then add your favorite chopped vegetables. You can use whatever you have on hand. Then add your favorite chopped vegetables. You can use whatever you have on hand. Actually, the idea of making eggs in the microwave came completely by accident. One morning I was in a hurry. The coffee was ready, but there was no time to get the pan. Out of curiosity, I cracked an egg into a small bowl, put it in the microwave, and just waited to see what would happen. When I took it out, I couldn't believe it. The eggs were soft, fluffy, wonderfully non-greasy, non-messy, and tasted just as good as when cooked on the stove. From that day on, I tried everything, all in the microwave. If you like herbs, sprinkle some parsley or oregano for added fragrance and color. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. It helps make the omelette lighter and fluffier. Sprinkle with a little salt and pepper to taste. Beat all ingredients until smooth and well combined. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook for 30 seconds. Take out, stir gently to fluff the eggs, then put back in the oven for another 30 seconds. The step of heating each part helps the eggs cook evenly, keeping them soft and avoiding drying out or overcooking. When the time is up, be careful, the bowl is hot. The omelette will puff up and look delicious, fluffy and steamy. And that's it, your quick microwave omelette is ready. Soft, flavorful, and packed with veggies, perfect for a delicious and nutritious breakfast or light lunch. Simple ingredients, no pot needed, and done in under 2 minutes, that's my style of cooking. Wafer. Next, we make a simple and beautiful egg, the classic sunny side up, cooked right in the microwave. You don't need a pan, just a microwave, safe plate, and a little butter or non-stick spray. Start by spreading a thin layer of butter on a plate. This will keep the eggs from sticking and make them easier to remove when cooked. Crack a fresh egg into the center of the plate. Try to keep the yolk round and centered. Using a fork, gently poke a hole or 2 into the yolk. This little step is important. It allows steam to escape and prevents the yolk from exploding while cooking. Cook over high heat for about 1 minute and, if possible, watch through the oven door. Every microwave is different, so after about 45 seconds, check the texture of the egg. If you want a soft and slightly runny yolk, you usually only need to cook it for about 1 minute. For a firmer texture, you can cook for an additional 10 to 15 seconds. When done, be careful, the plate is very hot. Use oven mitts or a towel to safely remove the dish. You'll have a perfect sunny side up egg, soft golden yolk, smooth white. You can eat it as is, or with buttered bread, a little more butter, or some stir-fried vegetables as you like. Fast, warm, and a great way to start the morning, simple, easy, and full of homemade flavor. If today's recipe brightens your morning, don't forget to like. It really helps the channel grow. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated to bring joy to life. Even a simple egg, made with love, can bring comfort and warmth to your day. Take a few minutes to reward yourself, make a hot dish, savor it slowly, and enjoy some quiet moments to start your day right. Thanks for watching and spending time with me. Stay healthy, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you in the next video with another easy, heartwarming idea.